There's a little boy that just woke up. A little baby boy. Good morning, little princess pig. Good morning. You ready? Are you ready for your last night, Colton? I mean, your last night. Are you ready for your last day here? We're gonna go somewhere. You got pancito, cafecito, con huevitos, arecincita. How you doing, baby girl? Can you sleep good? Yeah. In your bed? Did you sleep in your bed? No? Whose bed?
Mommy's bed.
Ooh.
But it was actually a bunk bed.
Yeah. And then we got
Okay, good, thank you.
what?
Sour milk.
Oh, we bought sour milk.
Yep, you did.
Oh, did you put that in my coffee?
No. I use creamer.
Okay. We're arriving at the Cataratas. Cataratas. La Fortuna. This is something we did not do last time.
My wallet is in my backpack. Are we already paid? No.
Okay, just put one man in here.
Unfortunately, it's raining. They said it's like a 30-minute walk down the stairwell, which is gonna be awesome for 3 kids. I'm assuming we go that direction.
Parte arriba de la catarata.
Very nice.
Estas son las gradas. These
I
are
lost
the
track.
stairs. There's 500
Mom corrected my.
to get to the waterfall. It's fake.
But you're taking a picture of it, aren't you? Huh?
It's a turtle.
Colton.
Yeah, that's a turtle.
Grab it while its face pop up.
Daddy, smile. We are a little closer. With this beautiful view.
Absolutely.
Do not.
Hold on, I got
Almost
I got
tripped over the
backpack.
rock.
Hold on. Okay.
Wow.
Cheese.
Look.
Yeah, good
Good
job.
job, Addie.
That was a great job. Perfecto.
A little further down. That's pretty cool. And then you can go swimming in there. Look how small it got looks. Oh man. Stairs real quick. We got more to go up later. See what this guy looks like. Woo! Look at this, Colton. Oh my goodness, buddy. Whoa! Look at this, big boy. Wow, look at the people. Wow, man. This is just like out of a movie. They got like vines and everything. Look at that. Man, you could swing off those vines. That's impressive. That is impressive, man. All those rocks. Look at that. Just never stop. Okay. Okay, here we are. This is the aftermath of the waterfall. Oh my gosh. I wish we brought our stuff. We tried, we were ready to do it yesterday and the rain was just unrelenting. And it's better just wait. We a little bit better with the rain today. Look at those fish in there. Oh, what do you think, Addison?
It's fish!
Try to catch a fish. Can you catch a fish?
They won't come close. They're all moving away.
Fish in there. Oh yeah, right here. So we just got up from the waterfall. 500 steps. Are you tired, bud? Colton's not tired. But the rest of us are. Is that fun, guys?
Yeah.
Addison was a trooper. Ryder was another hand.
Was also a trooper.
She's also a trooper.
Complained just a couple times. She did it.
Yep. Woo! We made it.